Okay, we are having some few visitors in Rakhigadi with me, Amit Verma, and we have visited multiple mounts, mount number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and they have visited all the area and excavated site. Now let's get the recommendation or review from them, how they will recommend us or how they will consider their trip into the Rakhigadi. Sir, welcome to the Rakhigadi. And please share your experience with us.
First of all, I think it was very fascinating because like a lot of this history of like the civilization from this age we've only read in our textbooks, and this is the first chance for us to see it in person. So I really appreciate that, and I really appreciate kind of the detail that Mr. Verma has explained, you know, kind of both the excavation and the archaeology part, but also the history of what they've been able to piece together about the civilization and about how they lived and how they interacted with other places. So we really appreciate kind of that detailed explanation and information that he was able to give us and answer all our questions about that. So thank you, Mr. Verma.
Okay, ma'am, what would you tell about us? How was your experience?
It was, for those of you who think it's a long drive from Delhi to come here, I totally think it is worth it, because you actually see the excavation. So what you normally see in a museum or in a historical monument is the end product of what they have discovered. But here you can see work in progress. So you can actually see how they come to such conclusions about the different periods and different, why something could have been a kitchen and why some pottery could have been of a particular type that is different from now, because you can actually see the pottery and the differences in the modern era pottery and the old era pottery and so on. So this is more hands-on that you will not get anywhere else, because it's still an excavating site.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, and visit again, and it's my pleasure to guide you and give some instances of Rakhigadi to you. Thank you so much.